Okay, I'm in my 22 Model 3 Performance, and I'm just so frustrated trying to find this wind noise. Now, I don't know if this is important, but I'm up in this corner. I have taped everything on the outside, so like that leaves me suspicious that seal, but I've worked the seal endlessly. Well, I pull this back, and up in the corner there's a gap in the actual metal of the body. Now, if there's any other holes in the body, you know, that air pressure will get in there and then this air will come out here. So I'm going to try sealing that gap. I don't know if that gap is an error unique to my car, but man, you'd never find this. So if I did find it, stroke of genius, stroke of luck, whatever. I'm gonna try sealing it. I'll put in the title and the description what I find.